So what's going on, people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's jump into the today's video. So in this video I'll teach you about how to use cut command. So cut command is basically self-explanatory, right? Cut is nothing but you are cutting somewhere and you are printing it how you want it. Okay, so cut command is basically used to extract a particular column or a field from a line of text. So let me give an example. Let's say hello and hello world comma word. So if you print this hello word, okay, sorry, this hello word, it will print the hello word, right? So now what I'm doing, I don't need word, I need only the hello word. What I do, I use cut command, then I specify C. C is basically used to extract the characters. Let's start numbering these characters. Let's say H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need only the first character which will start from 1 and which will end from 5. So I need to specify 1, 2, 5. So then it will print the first character which is starting from 1 to 5. Okay. The next which I'm showing is that instead of using this 1 to 5, you can also use -f command, that is called field. Okay, let's show example for field also. Let's say hello comma WRLD old. Okay, hello, you are printing hello word. Okay, let's try to, okay, don't taking hello word is the basic word, right? Let's take another word, that is John Doy or John Don is 25 years old. Okay, let's try to manipulate this. Now I need the second word. What I do, I use cut command, then I use -f, that is specifying the field. I need to get the second field. Okay, the John will be the first field and Don will be the second field and 25 will be the third field. I need second field, and then I need to specify how this is separated. That will be how this is separated, that will be the spaces, right? So I need to specify the dilemma that it is separated by a space. Then I'll get the second field which is Don. Let's say I need to get a first field, then you can specify 1, then you get first field. Then let's say I need to get the third field which is separated by a column, then you get a third field, that will be 25. Okay, now let's say that instead of space it is separated by colons. Let's do like this, echo echo, let's say Alice is 25 and is from New York. Let's print this one. It will print as it is, right? So using this text, what I do, I use cut command and then I specify the field. I need the 25 word. So that I need to specify a field, that is 2. The field is 2. Then I need to specify the separation, that will be dilemma. I need to say it is separated by colon. If I press enter, you will get 25. Let's say I need to get alias, that is separated by colon. Then you will get alias. Let's say you need to get the third field, you can get the third field. Okay, so that is how you can use -f. Okay, now let's say you are printing hello word. Now let's use this to manipulate. Okay, let's say you need to keep all the characters except those in the position 1 to 5. Let's say you need to keep hello word, not hello word. Okay, so what I do, I select characters 1 to 5. If I do like this, it will print the characters from 1 to 5. what if I specify something, some other argument, that is complement. Complement. If I specify like this, it will keep that characters, like it will keep the characters from 1 to 5, then it will print all the character except from that. Okay, that is how we use complement argument. Okay, let's say you are printing hello world, then let's say you need to extract bytes from 1 to 5. You need to specify -b, that will be 1 to 5, that will extract the bytes from 1 to 5. Let's say that you need to extract the second field, but only if the line contain a dilemma. If there is no dilemma, then it will not separate it. If there is a dilemma, then it will print it. Okay, sorry. Echo Don is 34 years old. Then is cut -f. I need to specify a field that will be 2, that I need Don word. Okay, then I need to specify a dilemma that is separated by spaces. Then I need to specify -n, that will actually print Don. So if it is separated, let's see if it is not separated, what it will be. Then it will not print the Don word, it will print the whole word. So that is what the use of -n argument. Okay, let's say like sorry, I off my system, sorry for that. Okay, let's say from that time I am printing what I mistakenly press Windows L button, that lock my system, sorry for that. Okay, let's say you are printing Don and 34. Let's say from that time I am printing only the Don word. Now I need to print it reverse, that will be John and 34. I need to print these two values. What do you do? So for that, I know that you will specify the field name as 1,3, but you also need to specify the dilemma, that will be spaces. Now you need to specify another argument which is called output -delimeter. So delimeter. So if you specify this, so this will basically print what John and 25. If you don't specify this, it will print John and 34. But if you specify the out delimiter comma, then it will separate the first word and the third word with comma. That is how that is what the use of output dilemma argument. Okay, let's clear this out. Okay, let's say that you need to extract the second field only if the line contain a dilemma. So okay, let's say you are printing John, Don and 34. Let's say if there is a space, okay, if there is a space, what you are doing, you are specifying a field that was 2, then you are specifying a dilemma that was space. Okay, if there was a space, let's say if there is no space now, if there is no space between John, Don and 34, there is no space, how do you print it? It's not how do you print it. If there is a space, then it will print it. If there is no space, then if you specify -s, then you will not get output, because if there is a space between Don 34, if you use -s, if there is a space, then it will print it. If not, it will not print it. See, if you leave space, then it will print Don. If there is no space, then if you are using -s, then it will not print it. That means it will specify, it will say that dilemma that if there is a space in the text, given text, then only you print the selected field. If there is no space in the text, then don't print anything. So that is for the use of -s command. So you can do man, and you can search for cut. There is many what arguments that you can just explore using those, and I guess you will find a version also in this version. Yeah, you can see the version and the people who wrote the code for cut command. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you. Bye.